Hey everybody, welcome back to the bench. I've got some new models today. You're gonna have to forgive the shaky cam. I accidentally broke the camera mount that I used. So we're going one-handed today. So I actually, get my hand out of there. This weekend, I went to the Kitlinx warehouse. They kind of open once a year, I guess. And he had a pretty cool selection. Most of the kits at the actual warehouse are used. Not used, but he buys up stashes in bulk. You know, take that for what you will. And so in his actual warehouse, a lot of the kits were sealed, but you know, they've got some older stuff. So yeah, I picked up some kits. I can show you those real quick, actually. Give me 1 second. Alright, so here you can see my stash. Humble stash. Here's my little display, I guess. But yeah, so as you can see, I got this one. Pretty old Hasegawa, but I actually really wanted a tiger shark. Actually, he had these kits 60% off because they didn't have decals, and I really wanted to try an ICM kit, and for 60% off, this was a steal. And he had any kind of decal I could ever want, so I just went and found a match and, you know, bought that with the kit. Super nice guy. And then I picked up this Tamiya kit. I really enjoy these 172 Tamiya kits. I've got this one, and then actually this was one of those as well. This was before I really started making videos. But the reason why, or what I'm working on now, is this kit. This was also 60% off. Same thing. I just picked up some decals. I actually couldn't find any that matched this, so I picked this up from him. ICM to ICM, and you know, it's a MIG sheet, but you know, we'll make it work. It's better than nothing. But yeah, I've always wanted an ICM kit. I'm just trying to kind of find brands to work on, you know. So far so good. The only thing that's a little weird, and this might just be, I've heard some of their old kits are a little some of their older kits are a little iffy. There is a lot of flash, but as far as the plastic on this goes, it's pretty soft. Like, you kind of have to be careful while you're handling it, or it does feel like it'll pop right out of the sprue. But like, most of this stuff looks really good. The most places I've found flash is actually on the fuselage. Oh man. Like, let's see if we can get you in focus here. You can kind of see around there, like the mold release stuff. You can see some flash back here, but I mean, it cleans up really nice. I actually watched a little documentary on YouTube about the history of Russian planes and just how they had kind of a rough start going. And I have no idea what this is, but I thought, you know, it's something way out of what I've been doing, which I focus a lot on Pacific war stuff, which I have enjoyed. I'm going to do a review for that Avenger you saw over there that I just finished. But yeah, so it's going together pretty good. The only annoying thing is at least on this kit, I don't know if their new ones are like that, the numbers are on here, not on the sprue. So what I've actually done is I just, you know, ABC and then D is the clear one. So I just lined them up there, and I just, I'll just look for the P's. It's not too big of a deal. I got this to try. I've heard a lot of good things about this. Just as a side note, in between coats. So we'll try that out. But yeah, so far so good, guys. I've just got the cockpit going here. I'll do some painting probably tonight on this. I don't have the decal for the front there, so I'm just going to prime it and I'll hand paint that in. But yeah, let me know what you guys are working on. Hopefully you all had a great 4th of July, and if you're in Utah, hopefully you have tomorrow off for Pioneer Day. I don't, but my job's pretty easy, so I don't really complain too much. Yeah, guys, let me know what you're working on. Have a great Tuesday, and we'll see you later.